Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make omelette rice, only way. Start by prepping rice, onions, ketchup, soy, and eggs. Cook rice with garlic and onion until slightly toasted, then season with ketchup, soy, and a touch of butter. Whisk eggs with milk and salt. Cook gently over low heat to form a custardy omelette, then slide it over the rice and shape with a spatula for a neat finish. Begin with cooled rice and warm your pan on medium heat. Sauté finely chopped onion and minced garlic in oil until soft, then add rice and break apart any clumps. Stir in ketchup, a splash of soy sauce, and butter, coating each grain evenly. Cook until the rice is hot and slightly caramelized on edges, then taste and adjust seasoning so it stays a little saucy but not wet. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort and durability that survives messy kitchens and long shifts. I love how they save me from sticky rice stuck to socks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Whisk eggs with milk and salt until just combined and a little frothy. Heat a non-stick pan on low to medium-low with a thin layer of butter or oil, then pour eggs and swirl to an even layer. Cook patiently, tilting the pan and lifting edges until the surface is mostly set but still glossy. Slide the omelette over the rice and tuck edges to form a smooth dome, then serve immediately for the best creaminess.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.